Super out team because there's a bird over there across the street that's in trouble. So a lot of its nest is injured. Come on, Caleb. Tony, wait! We'll save you guys. Come on. Go. He's under here. It's a baby.
He started trying to move. We started to twist it. That's a pigeon.
Get it some food.
Yeah. What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do?
We need food, we need a box, and we need gloves.
Yeah, no, I have a box and I'm getting gloves now so I can put them in a bag. Put them in a box so this way.
We saw him earlier. Me and my sister, we were coming from the store with my mother.
Yeah.
We told him it's a baby,
Yeah.
and he needed help. So we bought our friend because we're like a team together. We call ourselves the Super Owl Team because we like to help animals and stuff.
Good.
So we told him.
So I have a box. I'll bring the box out.
We have a member that is severe.
I know he fell out and he hurt his leg. It's a baby bird. He needs food.
We are gonna save this guy. First
Get food.
But I don't have money.
Like good. But you know you could use a towel.
You could put the towel over his head.
What are you going to do with
We're
it?
gonna scoop him up with our little towel.
Well, we can't take him home because we have 2 cats.
Yeah, we have 2 cats.
And one of them is very energetic, so.
And one of them will put him down and she can.
I called the place in the city and got the wall.
Because we see him trying to hop.
Sure that he's not going to run into the street.
No, because you know what? We see him hop. When we were there, yeah, he was like, he fell down. We are so happy that he's alive. Because it's like all the way up there. Because look, he tried to hop around. He tried to get on his legs, but he's like, his legs were hurt.
Okay.
A little bit of some towel.
We'll get him some help.
Because you know what? We had birds too. We had 2.
I'm right here in front of the
This is
store.
our first rescue of actually a bird.
Oh, there you go. I see you.
Here.
No, hold on. His friend's here.
So,
No, don't. You're going to scare it. Tony, no. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Here's
Don't.
green. I just don't want him going in the street.
No, he's going. He's going. He's going. He's
Saw
going.
him here before.
We saw him here before.
he has no. Is that a pigeon?
That's a baby pigeon.
We gotta help him before that car moves. And I got him. Put him in the blanket.
Cover him up. He might be cold.
Thank you guys.
You gonna take us to sanctuary?
There's a place in the city. Yeah. Coming with me? Okay. So I'm going to take him into the city.
Well, this is actually our first.
Thank you.
Why don't you
name him? So appreciate
We
it.
should name him Junior. Junior.
We'll make sure he gets the help that he needs, okay?
Yeah.
We ran all the way over here.
We started racing here down the
No, put him
train.
here. We'll make sure he gets all the help that he needs, okay?
Thank you. Can I take a bite?
Bye. You want to take a picture?
Yes.
Don't get too close.
Oh, no, don't pet him.
No, you can't pet him.
Pigeons are very disease ridden.
I know.
Okay, I got it.
Bye, Junior.
Take care, guys. Bye.